Most martial arts make your muscles bigger. Wing Chun was never meant for that. Wing Chun was designed to keep you alive when strength, rules, and time run out. Most martial arts today focus on performance. They train power, speed, flexibility, and endurance. But real violence doesn't care how fit you are. It doesn't care how strong your legs look. It doesn't care how many rounds they can last. Wing Chun was not designed for competition, trophies, or show. It was designed for survival under pressure when you're tired, surprised, and afraid. Today, I want to explain the difference. I've trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I use it outside the school, outside the gym, and outside comfort zone. I've seen what works when there are no rules, no referees, and no second chances. And I've seen very strong people freeze because they were trained for muscles, not survival. Muscles fail under stress. Muscle training relies on power, timing, perfect conditions, warm bodies, and prepared minds. But in real danger, your heart rate spikes, your breathing collapses, your muscle tightens, your fine motor skills disappear. But muscles become slow, muscles when fear arrives. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links pinned below. Wing Chun does not rely on explosive strength. It relies on structure, alignment, and nervous system response. Wing Chun trains the nervous system. Wing Chun doesn't ask, how strong are you? It asks, can you respond without thinking? This is why Wing Chun focuses on centerline control, economy of motion, sensitivity, forward intent, and relaxed power. These qualities function even when you are scared, tired, or injured. Survival is about efficiency, not power. In survival, the shortest path wins. The simplest motion survives. The calm minds react first. Wing Chun movements are small, direct, and efficient because survival demands speed without tension. This is why Wing Chun looks boring to people chasing muscles or performance. But boring is exactly what keeps you alive. Why many fighters don't understand Wing Chun? Modern fighters train for rounds, rules, weight classes, fair opponents. Wing Chun was built for ambush, close range, uneven strength, chaos. That's why Wing Chun doesn't care about looking powerful. It cares about ending danger quickly. Wing Chun is a system, not a style. Wing Chun is not about collecting techniques. It is about body mechanics, mental. Wing Chun is not about collecting techniques. It is about body mechanics, mental calm, structure efficiency, energy conservation. Muscles grow old, reflexes fade, speed slows down, but structure and awareness last a lifetime. Practice Bong Sau together. In your Wing Chun basic stance, the right hand, Tan Sau, slowly come forward, right in the center, and then lift your elbow up. One more time. Tan Sau comes out, lift your elbow up to Bong Sau. So the elbow doesn't go too up or too low, right in the center. And the fingers pointing towards your opponent, so you can even jab. But some people will do the Bong Sau, like Lan Sau, flat. That's also right. But let's practice one at a time. So Tan Sau out, and then Bong Sau. Tan Sau out, and then Bong Sau. Take your time, Tan Sau out, in the middle, and then lift your elbow up. Not too high, not too low. Just slightly lower than your shoulder, the elbow. Tan Sau up, then Bong Sau. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's move to the left side. 1, 2. Just follow me. Take your time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. The right side. Tan Sau out. Bong Sau. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Back to the meter. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. The left side again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. In the middle. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. One more time. Left side. 1, 2. Take your time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links pinned below. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Remember, start with the basic position. Tan Sau, the center line. Lift the elbow up. The elbow is slightly lower than your shoulder. Not too high, not too low. And finger pointing forward. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Want bigger muscles, train for sport. If you want applause, train for performance. But if you want to walk away alive, train something that will work when everything else fails. Wing Chun doesn't train your body to fight. It trains your body to survive. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record one round, score yourself, and I will show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.